Does your washroom storage looks like this? Well, we have a solution the ARdeco way. Just like what Abby said, bins are your best friends. So we'll be using 2, or actually 3. There's this version. There's also this. I think we're gonna use this for the towels, who knows. And last one, this bins. And we bought 2, 4, 6. Because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 layers of the storage. Pretty tall. So without further ado, let's go take a look at it.
So we took the small towels, we're going to put them in the bins. We're going to fold them in a specific way that way it'll be organized and aesthetically pleasing. Here are the towels folded. These are the smaller ones.
Why did you fold it this way?
I folded them this way, that way we can find each item quicker.
Interesting.
And we did the same.
These are not towels. What are these?
So we did the same with the
Shower curtain.
Shower curtain. If you have a lot of big towels like these, this is the most efficient way of folding them. And I'll show you how to do it. So fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Then lay it flat. And then roll.
We're gonna stack all large towels in this shelf because it provides easy access to every user of the washroom. It's right in the middle of the shelf. It's on my height and I'm about 5'8". So everyone that's a little bit smaller can easily get it, or taller can easily get it as well. So make sure, be mindful when you're you're organizing your place. Make sure that you put the right application when how are people gonna use it, because it could look visually appealing, but if it does not make sense for the person using it, then it's all just design, no purpose.
If you have multiple items such as these and the toothpaste, these are backstop. These are called backstop for a reason, because we do not need it on a daily basis. We do not need 12 or 6 toothpaste on a daily. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in a bin, and then we're going to put it still in the washroom, but on the very top. So we have stacked our backstop, and we're going to put it on the top shelf. It's important to label the ones on the very top shelves, especially if you cannot reach it. That way people won't have to check all the bins and try to find which one